Hello friends, today I am going to discuss machine learning, the polynomial regressions. This is the most important part. So I will try to understand just if you do machine learning projects. So there is the most important part. So previous class we have already discussed here linear regressions. Now today I am going to discuss polynomial, and next class we will try to discuss multinomials regressions, right? Multivariables regressions type. So now what is the polynomial regressions? So polynomial regressions means if your data point clearly will not fit a linear regressions. So then like a linear regressions means it must be as a straight line. So if your data point is not looking like a straight line, so this is not a linear regressions right here. So we might be deal with the polynomial regressions. So let's see, just polynomial regressions means like a linear regressions and uses the relationship between the variables x and y and to find the best way to draw a line through a data points. So how does it works? So I am using Python programming. So Python has a method to finding a relationship between a data point and to draw a line of polynomial regressions. So now I would like to describe these methods, and first I am taking a data sets and then we can plot it. So look here, so we have I have taken matplotlib. I have already means we need to the scatter plot, so we need to do the two data. So I have taken a two data, one is the x-axis, another is the y-axis. So let's see, I am going to take a data points like x-axis and another is y-axis. So there are two data points, and now I like to plot here a scatter plot. So we need to a matplot. I have already installed, imported. So now I am going to plot here these two. So look here, so it has been plotted and we can see this type of that. So look here, this is going downward, again going upward, again coming downward. So this type of plot like a non-linear variables. So first I would like to import a numpy and another import the matplotlib pyplot. So we need to fit this data as this way. So numpy, and so first import numpy and matplot and then draw the line of the polynomial regressions. So control, look here. So now I am going to plot here, import here these two libraries, import numpy and these two things, and we have already taken it as a data. So now let's see, I am taking the two datas. Look here, data has been look like this way, and then I am creating a model like a numpy and like a xy fit. So look here, first I am going to create this model. My model, I have taken a variable numpy and polynomials, numpy dot polyfit and xy3. Similarly I want to take a line here, so need to draw from 1 to 22. I am taking a numbers from 1 to 22 and hundreds variables. Okay, and then I would like to plot this value here. So now I am going to plot this value means PLT that scatter x and y, and another the plot the my lines means another variables I have taken and plot this one is so that. So look what happens, just it is getting us some mistaken PLT and plot, PLT and plot. Okay, my line, yeah, I think I have gotten the here, not a my line, I have written here the y line. So look here, y line. So I think y line is again it may be a mistaken. So not a my line, this one is a y line, so keep here, and now it may be a, yeah. So look like this one is like a polynomials plot. So import the models means just we have to learn about the NumPy models and the NumPy. So NumPy and matplot, and similarly we can plot. This is the way to we can easily plot this value. So x and y line and this one. So then we can also specify how the line will display. So we start at the positions 1 and end as a position 22. So we can start from the position 1 to position 22. So I have mentioned here the y line NumPy, and this one is the start from 1 until 22, and just how many yani draw the original scatter plots like plot scatters I have done here, and my line models, and this one is the same. So this is a way to how do plot and thank you for today.